If you're looking for the fastest way to monetize here on YouTube, then let me introduce to you Restream platform. This is the fastest way that you can use to get your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within 2 to 3 weeks, or highest 1 month of using this platform called Restream. Anyways, you can still do your research first before going into this restreaming. Restream is a platform that is partnering with YouTube that upcoming content creators are using currently to get massive subscribers and massive watch hours to complete their first 4,000 watch hours, then get monetized on YouTube and start going to do Restream. In this video, I'm going to be telling you the bad side of Restream and the good side about Restream. Alright, if this is your first time of coming across my videos, hello, my name is Grace and welcome to my channel. What we do here is to talk about money making platforms and how to grow on YouTube. So if this is anything close to what you want to be seeing on your screen, hit on the subscribe button and let's vibe together. Now, like I've said before, Restream is a platform that you can use to get your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within 2 to 3 weeks, or highest 1 month. Yes, that's for sure. That is if you can stream back to back every day for hours, you can. The good side about this Restream is that if you use your own personal videos, or if you use somebody else's video and you edit it very well, my dear, you are getting your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within weeks, or highest 1 month. You are monetized here on YouTube. All right, as much as something has good side, it also has bad side. Yes, everything on this earth, just check it carefully, you see that everything has bad side to it. Now, the bad side of it is that in as much as Restream can get you monetized, it can also get you demonetized here on YouTube. That is if you don't use the platform appropriately or rightly. Alright, now you might ask, how can I use platform that will get me demonetized or will give me issues? Number one is, don't use somebody else's video. Yes, use your own video for your Restream. Alright, if by any chance the owner of that video signal YouTube that this somebody is using my video, YouTube is going to give you a copyright. Alright, so always use your video when you want to Restream. Okay, people that this Restream platform works best for are those people that is into entertainment, or into lifestyle, or into comedy, all those kind of things that Restream works best for. If you're not into these niches that I've just mentioned, don't even go into it, because don't worry, I'll tell you why. Then another bad thing about this Restream is that when you finally get monetized, these people that is subscribed to your channel, they will not come back and watch your long-term videos. Yes, that is the funny thing about it. And that is the bitter truth. They will not come back and watch your videos. Yes, they have helped you to monetize, but those numbers in your channel will just be like, the numbers will just be there. You understand? These people that you get for Restream, they will not come back and watch your long-term videos. You understand? And you know that the goal of every content creator or every YouTuber is to get monetized and start cashing out. Do you understand? This is one bad thing about this Restream platform. Alright, whether you are into teaching niche, or whether you're into entertainment or cooking, any kind of niche that you're into, if you get your subscribers from Restream, they will not come back and watch your long-term videos. And another thing is that they will not still engage on your videos. Yes, if they don't come back to watch your videos, how would they engage? Probably the YouTube will not even, will not even send them a notice that you've uploaded a video. Yes, that is how it is. So they're not getting notice, or they're not notified that you have uploaded a video, so they will not come back and engage on your videos. You understand? And more engagements, more views. So these people that you get for Restream don't do all these things that I've just mentioned. Alright, so that is one bad thing about Restream. So it's left for you to think for yourself, or to decide for yourself whether you use Restream or not. Anyways, somebody might say, I'll just use Restream and then monetize, and after monetizing I'll start creating videos, then I'll start creating long-term videos, and then from there I'll get subscribers. It's fine if you can wait and be patient. It's fine, but it is better for me. It is better for me to create content from the beginning without streaming, and get my viewers and get my subscribers from long-term videos. I will come back to watch my videos, and using Restream that will not come back to watch my videos, and then after monetization I'll not struggle, then start creating long-term videos to get views. I think it's better this way. That was the reason why I even stopped this restreaming platform. All right, because if you check my channel, I've already started restreaming before. I was like, no, let me just stop for a while. I don't know about tomorrow, but I just stopped. So let me just concentrate on my long-term video and get real subscribers from long-term videos, because that is when those people will come back and back again and again to watch your long-term videos. Another thing I want to tell you is that when you want to do restream, you have to do it the right way. Yes, so I am going to take you through a screen recorded video and show you how you can do restream rightly to get massive views. Now, I have come across some comments, that they're saying that they don't used to have views when they do restream. They don't used to have views. Yeah, the thing is that you have to keep restreaming daily. You understand? You start getting views gradually as you stream continuously. You stream maybe your third, fourth, fifth videos. That is when you start getting views. Alright. But trust me, your third, fourth, fifth video, you start seeing results and people will start subscribing to your channel and you see your watch hours skyrocketing. You understand? So this is basically how it is. So I'm going to share with you or teach you how you can use this restreaming platform very well. A step-by-step tutorial on how you can use it to get your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within weeks. Alright, so guys, let me go and share with you. So first and first, I'm going to be dropping the link at the comment. Alright, so click on the link. When you click on the link, it's going to take you to an interface like this, or you are going to go to your browser and type restream.io. Either of the ways. Alright, so when you get to this place, they have paid version and they have free version as well. So you go ahead and click on this get started for free. Alright, so over here now you're going to put in your password. So you put in your email address and your password here. Alright, or just click on continue with Google and it will take you to the Restream platform straight up. So once you are here, you click on enter studio. So after you've clicked on enter studio, this is the interface that they're going to bring you. All right, so this is where you need to do the main work. All right, so before you get to this place, make sure you've prepared your video. If you want to use your video, make sure that you shoot your video, or you have gone to copy somebody else's video. You have you have edited the video very properly. All right, so now here is what you would do. All right, so first thing first, you click on these three dots at the you click on these three dots at the bottom of your screen. So once you click on the three dots, this is what will pump out. You see video, local video. Some people say click on local video, but for me, I used to click on video. Any one of the choices you choose is better, but it is better you click on video, because I'm going to be telling you why. When you click on video, you ought to do everything you need to do, but if you click on this local video, you're not going to see where or option to arrange everything well. So I'm going to click on video. When you click on video, it's going to take you to your gallery. When you get to your gallery now, these are videos that I've used to do restream before. So you click on this upload video. So I'm going to use this one for an example. All right, so I've clicked on it, selected it. I'm going to click on add here. I don't know, for one reason or other is refusing to upload. So I'm going to use an old video to do example for us. All right, so the best way is for you to just go to your browser and then type restream.io. I think here there's limitations here. All right, so I would say don't use the link. In fact, I'm not going to do the link too, so just go to your browser, type restream.io, and then just start stream from there. All right, so when the video has uploaded here, because once the video starts uploading, to start counting here, so once it's stopped and counted to 100, you go back again. Now when you get to this place, you click on this your profile here, this picture here. Now over here you can edit. Click on edit. When you click on that edit, this is what will pump out. Now this place will make you arrange your video very well. That's why you see some restream now the videos are organized. There is thumbnail, there is title and description, and everything is so beautiful. But if you see some restream, there's nothing like that. So this is actually how you can arrange it, and when you arrange it like that is when YouTube is going to put it out to a wider audience. So this is an example of video that I've already made. I added my title. Make sure when you want to start, please start with your thumbnail first. All right, if you don't start with your thumbnail, anything you do will just cancel. First of all, add in your thumbnail. All right, so How you can do your thumbnail is that you take a screenshot of the video, all right, then go to your CapCut or your InShot and edit it very well, and then come back here and click on this upload image. That is where you would upload your thumbnail, arrange your topic, go to your vidIQ and get a good topic for the video that you want to use to do your restream and or your meta AI anywhere, you understand. So that is basically how you can use this platform. And if you arrange it like this, make sure you put it on public, privacy, put it on public, categorize your video, all right, give your video the categories that you ought to be. Like this video that entertainment, all right, when you click on it you see different categories, all right, it's pumping out. So you categorize the video, all right. So when you're done, you click on save, all right. And then that is not all right, so I'm going to loop the video. That is, looping the video means that the video will play all over again and again from beginning to the end, all over again. Even if it is for 5 hours that video will play, even if it is 5 second video, that video will play all over again. You click on the video like this, you see one three dots. So you click on these three dots here that is showing like this. So when you click on these three dots, now you see loop video. You are going to click on this loop video, all right. The video will play all over and over again. Don't forget to loop the video before going live. Don't forget, emphasis on don't forget, all right. So you click on loop so that the video will play all over again and again. So you click on it. So once you are done with all these things, you go ahead and click on go live, all right. This is just everything you need to do so that your Restream videos will start doing well. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can out. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this on how you can get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.